Hi learners! You learned about the terms vacuum tube, transistor, and integrated circuit in the previous video. Here in this video, you will learn about these terms in detail. Let's begin with the vacuum tube. It is a glass tube which controls the flow of electric current between electrodes. It also consists of a glass bulb and wire. Wire is used to carry data in the form of electronic signals. It behaves like an amplifier and a switch. An amplifier increases lower energy into a higher level until loudness or amplitude of the sound is the same as transmitted. A switch is a component that performs on-off operations. Vacuum tubes were also used in televisions, radio, telephone systems, etc. in the 1990s. You can have a look at the working of a vacuum tube on the screen. Moving towards the transistor, it is a semiconductor device also used as switch or amplifier. Basically, it has three connectors or terminals. The first one is the collector, next is the emitter, and the last one is the base. The flow of charges goes into the collector and out of the emitter depending upon the charge flowing to the base. In this manner, it is possible for the base to switch on or off the flow through the transistors. They were used in second-generation computers and were smaller, faster, cheaper, and lighter in weight than vacuum tubes. You can see the working of a transistor on the screen.
Transistor. So what is that? And how does such a device enable all the amazing things computers can do? Well, at their core, all computers are just what the name implies, machines that perform mathematical operations. The earliest computers were manual counting devices, like the abacus, while later ones used mechanical parts. What made them computers was having a way to represent numbers and a system for manipulating them. Electronic computers work the same way. But instead of physical arrangements, the numbers are represented by electric voltages. The transistor lies in its efficiency and compactness. Because they don't require heating, they're more durable and use less power. ENIAC's functionality can now be surpassed by a single fingernail-sized microchip containing billions of transistors. At trillions of calculations per second, today's computers may seem like they're performing miracles. But underneath it all, each individual operation is still as simple as the flick of a switch.
Coming to the last component, that is integrated circuit. It is considered as the brain of the circuit. Integrated circuit is extremely small in size, but it can work as fast as thousands of transistors. It is a collection of resistors, transistors, and capacitors. All of these are connected together into a small chip to attain a common objective. They were used in the third generation of computers and used less electricity, were less expensive, and were easily replaceable. You can now see on the screen how an integrated circuit can be inserted or removed from the motherboard.